We are the champions, Queen. This is the Formula One, Max Verstappen. This is the gold medal winner. This is the CEO. This is you who pushes the best out of yourself to do an amazing coaching. You like to win. If you have that as a normal setup, your pitfall is me first. Because your gut brain acts just like the crocodile. I eat, you don't eat. The fear of a crocodile and your gut brain is actually vulnerability. Because if it would depend on another, the crocodile will never know if it will survive. Your gut will not know if I can survive. Your gut brain is an egocentric, not social being in you. But it is freaking amazing. It's the Arnold Schwarzenegger, it's the Total Recall, it's the Rambo, but it gets your stuff done. As Michael Gerson said, it has a shitty job, but he's shitty good at it. Your heart, just to take care of everybody else. This is the mommy and the daddy who wake up 5 times a night to give their little baby food. This is the coach who picks up the phone because you know your client is in stress, even if it's weekend, even if you're at dinner, because you know he or she is at stress. So what's your pitfall then? Others first. So most coaches or most people have a really dominant gut brain are less in self-care. They are the people that Gabor Mate describes in his book, When the Body Says No. What's the fear of a gut brain, for a heart brain? Rejection. You cannot annoy a heart brain person who's more dominant in there than say, I don't like you, you can go. And if people like to see how it is, just put your dog away. Your dog is horrendously sad because dogs are almost heart brain people. What your beautiful head does, it just likes to analyze. I like to know. What's the pitfall? It likes to give you the perfect answer. And it has a huge issue for mistakes. So people have a really high gut brain. Just say, you did it wrong. Really? You stabbed them with a knife. So what happens if one of the brains is really extremely dominant? If you have a need to know too much or a need to know, you fall in perfectionism, anxiety, or insomnia. Because your head will not rest until it finds an answer. If you have too much heart brain and need to stay connected, sooner or later, you'll have a burnout, depression, or maybe even chronic diseases. Hence, Gabor Mate's book, When the Body Says No. If you have too much, I need to succeed, you have toxic leadership, anxiety, you have control freak and power-driven society around you.